Welcome! In this walkthrough, we will explore how to use the Bulk Modify tool to efficiently update multiple components in your worksheet. Remember, changes made here are permanent. There is no undo tool, so review your selections carefully before applying updates. The Bulk Modify tool works hand in hand with the Bulk Select tool. Once you have selected your components, you can apply various bulk actions to them from deleting, cloning, and more. Here are the available actions. First is Delete Selected. This removes all the selected components permanently. Remember, use only when you're certain you no longer need these items. Next, we have Modified Total Cost Factor. This adjusts the total cost. Factor or multiplier for all the selected components. This helps you adjust your costs, whether to increase or decrease by a percentage to reflect the updated pricing. Upon updating this, the costs of these selected items should double. Next, we have Modify Location of Selected. This moves components to another location or unit. First, select components you want to move. Then click on Modify Location of Selected. So from Building Location under the Site Improvements unit, we will move these selected items to Site Improvements, Site Exterior. Click on Update. As you can see, the attached carport items are now in the Site Exterior location. Next, we have Clone selected. This creates multiple copies of your selected items. So as usual, first select the components that you want cloned. Next, click on Clone Selected. Then type in the number of clones you want to add. Click Clone Selected. Next, we have Create Worksheet. This will allow you to generate a new worksheet containing only your selected components. This is great for focused studies. For example, you want to create a worksheet that contains only the items from the site exterior location. Let's use the Bulk Select tool. First, click Location and look for Site Exterior, then select Items. Check if the selected items are only from Site Exterior. And once that's done, click on Bulk Modify and Create Worksheet. Click on Proceed. You will be redirected to the Study Setup page. Just put in the necessary details. Then click Proceed. Wait for it to load and you will be notified once it's done. You may enter the worksheet now or continue with what you're currently doing, but let's try to check the worksheet. As you can see, only the items from the site exterior have been moved to this new worksheet. Next is Create PAD Study. PAD means Partial Asset Disposition. This initiates a new study that excludes the selected components from the original worksheet. So essentially, PAD allows you to remove an asset from your records. For example, removing an old roof after replacement. For example, for this particular study, the hydrants are already removed at present. Let's create a PAD study. Then select the PAD year. Note that this is the tax year in which an asset is disposed of. PAD must be elected in the same year and cannot be done retroactively. You are again redirected to the Study Setup page. Just fill in the necessary details. Then click Proceed. Just wait for it to load, then a notification will pop up saying that your worksheet is ready. Let's enter the worksheet now. This shows the total cost of the excluded items or assets from the original property. Next, we have Bulk Replace Item. This allows you to swap your selected items with new ones from RS Means or custom items. For example, let us replace all of these different doors into a same door item. Just click on Bulk Modify, then Bulk Replace Item. You may search for the items in our database, or add custom items, or add another custom assembly. For now, let us search within our database. For example, let's choose this assembly. Then click Save. As you can see here, the selected doors are now replaced with new item. Other bulk modify tools are map components, which consists of different other options, and advanced. This modal shows all of the available modify options. Check out our map components overview in another video, and the other advanced options. Thank you for watching.